In this example, we will be evaluating the square root of 900. 900 is an example of a perfect square. A perfect square is a number that if you take the square root of that perfect square, you end up getting a whole number answer. To find out what the whole number answer is to the square root of 900, we need to first review an important math rule. The square root of a times b is equal to the square root of a times the square root of b. This means that if you have two numbers multiplied by each other inside of a square root, you can then rewrite it as those individual square roots multiplied together. To do this with 900, we want to think of some of the factors of 900. I chose 9 and 100. Although there are other factors, I chose 9 and 100 because they're both perfect squares. Now, let's rewrite the square root of 900 as the square root of 9 times 100. Doing this, we can then use our math rule to split up the 9 and the 100 into the square root of 9 times the square root of 100. The square root of 9 is equal to 3 because 9 is equal to 3 squared. The square root of 100 is equal to 10 because 100 equals 10 squared. So we can rewrite the square root of 9 as 3 and the square root of 100 as 10. 3 times 10 is 30, so the square root of 900 is equal to 30.